Hey everybody, welcome back to MOTOBLADE. Today I am going to install an inspection sticker plate on my Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. My Dark Horse unfortunately has to go through an inspection here in Vermont, and we get this big ugly ass sticker when it's all done. And when I took it to Harley for the inspection, they just slapped it on the fork and it looked terrible. So it's been riding around in my saddlebag where it's not supposed to be. So instead we're going to install a black inspection plate for the sticker to go on up on the front left side where it's actually supposed to be legally displayed. This is a fairly simple install, and I'll show you what you need to do it and how to do it right after the intro. So for this installation we're going to need a couple of parts. The first thing is a torque wrench that's capable of producing 35 foot-pounds of torque. We're also going to need an 8mm hex drive or Allen drive for the torque wrench. And this is our inspection plate that we're going to be putting on the bike, so your sticker just gets mounted to that. It's made out of solid metal. I will put a link to it down in the description if you guys want to get one for your bike. And something else that may be useful is some sort of flashlight to help find just the right spot to get the bolt in place. One other piece that is not necessary but you may find useful is a ratchet. Just a small hand ratchet to use with your 8mm hex drive, just because this will usually go finger tight all the way until you need the torque wrench, but just in case it gets stuck and you don't really want to bring out the torque wrench quite yet, this can be useful. So let's head over to the bike and we'll get this installed. So there's really no great place to install this on the Chieftain, but the best place I found is down here on this bolt that is holding on the lower part of the highway bar. So that's what we're going to install our inspection plate on. So let's get out our torque wrench, take that off, and then we're just going to slide the plate behind that and torque it back down. So that's our bolt out. Make sure you don't lose that. We're just going to gently pull the highway bar away from the bike, and it is going to be pretty tight. Getting the hole lined up is going to be the trickiest part.
That's what she said!
Alright, once you have your bolt in finger tight, make sure you get your plate positioned where you want it, because once you tighten this down with the torque wrench, it ain't gonna move. Once you've got all that positioned, just how you like it, we're gonna bring our torque wrench in, and the torque wrench needs to be set to 35 foot-pounds of torque. That would be 35 foot-pounds. Now I'll just put my sorry looking inspection sticker down here. Because it was put on the fork by Harley when they did the inspection for me, it just started peeling off when it got wet. It's been pretty abused, so when I go for my inspection this year, now that I have a nice flat surface, that'll look a whole lot better. But for now it's okay. Gets it off the fork. I think it actually looks pretty sharp. That black plate to match the flat black of the bike. It's pretty nice. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon next to it. That'll give you guys notifications when there are new videos to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. I have a ton of parts coming in from Indian and from other aftermarket dealers over the next week here. I'm going to be doing a lot of modifications to this motorcycle. We're going to be doing a trunk, we're going to be upgrading the audio system, we're doing highway bars, we're doing lights, we're doing a new windshield, we're doing all kinds of stuff. So stick around, we're going to do a lot of great modifications and it's going to be a lot of fun. Again, if you guys want to check out the inspection plate and see if it's right for your bike, I will put a link to it down in the description. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video.